have already learned the singular and plural forms of many words. The singular form refers to just one and plural form refers to more than one. Now King Vikram wanted to make all the words in his kingdom happy by assigning them plurals or giving them companions. He was calling them in groups. Now the next group which wanted to come was group of words like country and baby. So this group contains words like country, baby and many other words which end with Y. So country ends with Y, baby ends with Y. Let us see how these words form their plurals. So for words ending with Y, if there is consonant and Y at the end. So if there is a consonant before Y, they belong to the IES group. We will see what this means. And if there is a vowel before Y, then they belong to the S group. That is, they form their plural by adding S. And these words form their plural by adding IES. So if there is a consonant before I, the words form their plural by adding IES. If there is a vowel before Y, the words form their plural by adding S. So let us look at the words like country and baby. So in country, there is R before Y, which is a consonant. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So this is R, not a vowel. So it is a consonant. What about baby? There is B before Y. So it is not A, not E, not I, not O, not U. It is a consonant. So for words like consonant plus Y, let us see how do they form their plurals. So when there is just one country, it is sad. But when other country joins in, they become happy. And the word country drops a Y and gets IES to form its plural. So the plural of country is countries after the fourth angel IES. So there was an angel IES. How does the word country form its plural? From country, we remove the Y and add IES to make it countries. So more than one country is referred to as countries. Country is singular, that means just one country. When we want to denote the plural of country, what do? So Y, it is a word ending with Y. Before Y, there is R, which is a consonant. So it will form its plural by adding IES. But before adding IES, I need to remove this Y. So it will be country, COUNTR. I don't write the Y. Instead, I write IES, countries. So in country, instead of Y, I write IES, countries, to make the plural form. What about party? In party, there is Y at the end, and just before Y, there is a T, which is a consonant. So A, E, I, O, U are vowels. This is consonant plus Y. So for consonant plus Y, I can make plural by removing this Y and adding IES. So I will have P-A-R-T. I remove the Y and add I-E-S, parties. Parties is the plural of party. What about the words which have vowel plus y? Like boy, this is one boy, singular. Over here we can see more than one boy. So plural, this is singular, B-O-Y. How can I form the plural? Y, and just before Y there is O, which is a vowel. So B-O-Y, and I simply add S at the end. Remember that in this case there is no need to remove Y. Simply add S at the end. Boys. Boy becomes boys in the plural form. What about day? Day ends with Y and it has a vowel A before Y. So it will also form its plural simply by adding S at the end. Days. Day, days. Now can you tell me the plural form of these words? What is the plural of story? So story ends with Y. Before Y there is R, which is a consonant. Now for words which have consonant and Y at the end, I need to remove the Y and add I, E, S, stories. What about key? What is the plural form of key? Key has Y at the end and before Y there is E, which is a vowel. So for such words we simply add an S at the end. Keys. Key is the singular form. Keys is the plural form. One key, many keys. Key, keys. What about baby? So baby has Y at the end. Before Y there is B, which is a consonant. So I need to remove the Y. So this is baby without Y and I add I, E, S at the end. Babies is the plural form of baby. One baby, many babies. So this is how you can form the plural form of the words ending in Y. If there is a consonant before Y, you need to remove the Y and add IES. If there is a vowel before Y, then simply add S. So this is how words in this group which end in Y got their plural forms. So take up different words ending with Y and try finding out their plural forms. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.